Some tips for buying a conical fermenter. The beer fermentation is the most important step of the beer brewing process. Choose a suitable fermenter is also a very important step to help you produce beer. So today, let us talk and give you some tips on how to buy a conical and suitable stainless fermenter. The main body of the conical fermenter is cylindrical, and its bottom is conical, the top is an arc. The tank also has cool and insulation fitting, is fully enclosed fermenter. The conical fermenter can be used to top fermentation or also be suitable for the bottom fermentation. Main elements of choice. 1. Surface and material. The tank's material can use stainless steel or carbon steel. But if you choose carbon steel, the inner wall of the tank must be coated with a non-toxic coating. The inner wall of the tank must be smooth and flat, and the inner wall of the stainless steel tank should be polished. The inner wall coating of the carbon steel tank should be uniform, without an uneven surface, and no granular protrusion. 2. Diameter-height ratio. The diameter to height ratio of the tank is usually 1 to 2 to 1 to 4, and the total height is better not more than 1/6 m. Generally, the larger diameter height ratio, the stronger the natural convection during fermentation, and the faster the yeast fermentation. But the yeast is not easy to settle and the beer is difficult to clarify. 3. The angle degree of conical. The conical angle of the tank is generally between 60 degrees and 90 degrees, and is usually 60 degrees to 75 degrees. The stainless steel tank has a common conner angle of 60 degrees, and the carbon steel has a cone angle of 75 degrees. 4. Pressure resistance of the tank. The tank will produce carbon dioxide, and forming tank top pressure during the beer fermentation process. So the fermenter should be equipped with vacuum pressure relief valve. 5. Temperature. When controlling the fermentation, temperature should be relatively stable, avoiding high and low. Temperature control is more better done with automatic control. 6. Cooling jacket and area. The cooling area depends on the material of the tank, and the cooling area of the cone bottom should not be too large to prevent the beer from freezing during the wine storage period.